Article 258 of the Indian Constitution allows the Union, central, government to delegate certain powers to the state government or its officers. Here's a breakdown. Power to delegate. Under Clause 1, the President, with the consent of the state government, can entrust certain functions to that state's government or its officers, even if those functions fall under the Union's executive powers. Parliamentary laws extending powers. Clause 2 permits Parliament to create laws that apply within a state, even in areas where the state itself lacks legislative power. These laws can authorize the state and its officers to perform duties related to these matters. Compensation for extra costs. According to Clause 3, if delegating these duties results in extra administrative costs for the state, the Union must compensate it. The amount can be mutually agreed upon or, in case of disagreement, determined by an arbitrator appointed by the Chief Justice of India. This article facilitates cooperative federalism by enabling the Union government to work through the states, ensuring flexibility and efficiency in administration. The Constitution of India. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the states. Chapter 2. Administrative relations. General. Article 258. Power of the Union to confer powers, etc., on states in certain cases. 1. Notwithstanding anything in this Constitution, the President may, with the consent of the government of a state, entrust either conditionally or unconditionally to that government or to its officers functions in relation to any matter to which the executive power of the Union extends. 2. A law made by Parliament which applies in any state may, notwithstanding that it relates to a matter with respect to which the legislature of the state has no power to make laws, confer powers and impose duties, or authorize the conferring of powers and the imposition of duties, upon the state or officers and authorities thereof. 3. Whereby virtue of this article powers and duties have been conferred or imposed upon a state or officers or authorities thereof, there shall be paid by the Government of India to the state such sum as may be agreed, or, in default of agreement, as may be determined by an arbitrator appointed by the Chief Justice of India, in respect of any extra costs of administration incurred by the state in connection with the exercise of those powers and duties.